Hello, everybody. Good morning. This is your favorite Tina Datta. So, what's up with you guys? It's been so long. I did not chit chat with you, and finally, um, I'm here at Yas Island, and I thought I would do a little chatting with you guys, like chatting. The Poor Network. Okay, I think you guys can see me, and yeah, so I miss you guys a lot, and that's Murugesan. Murugesan says nice. Thank you, Murugesan. Hope you're having a great day. And okay, so basically, I'm here at Yas Island. I would like to share my views with you. Hi, Bansi. And this place is amazing, guys. It's in Abu Dhabi, it's in Dubai. And Muhammad Yusuf, hello, Eid Mubarak. Pradipta, hey. And please say something for Bulgaria. Okay, so I love Bulgaria, honestly, and I would love to come to Bulgaria. I would love to come to Georgia as well. I love Georgians. And I think I have fans all over the world, and that's a great feeling, to be very honest. Please, so much say something for Bulgaria. Ivana Stoknova. Bansi, how are you? Tina, Bansi, I'm very good. How are you doing? Ivana, I would love to come to Bulgaria and meet all my fans there and be with you guys and spend some time there. I would love to. I have been to Indonesia and I've seen there are crazy fans of mine in Indonesia, and they really, 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 really love me so much. And Twinkle, hello. And it's a great feeling when you guys shower so much of love, so much of blessings, when you shower so much of love on me. It's a great feeling, like people all over the world, all over the country, uh, all across the globe, when they love you so much, they watch your show, and it's actually a great, great feeling. Okay, so I would like to share my experience over here. Prince Charming, he's asking me why I always cry on series. Okay, that's just to get that emotional connection, so that uh, so that I gain that little sympathy on the show, and that's actually how the creative wants and how the shows work in India. Uh, to gain that little sympathy, that okay, bichari, that she's going through so much in life, and you can connect with actors, or connect with the main lead of the show, to show that positivity, that we are always struggling and we are always there. That's a real reality in real life as well. That you're always struggling, you're always, like, when you're too nice and too good to people, you always land up struggling a bit, fighting for your own rights and everything. Sangram. Sangram is looking sweet, Tina. Thank you so much, Sangram, for the compliment. You made my day. Bansi, nice looking. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rohini Kadam. Rohini, where you from? Pranav Ekta, why you not try in Bollywood? I would love to, Pranav. I just hope something really nice comes up. Ivan, I really want to know something. Yes, Ivana, you can let me know what you want to know. After Uttran, Neelam, nothing as of now. I'm not too sure. What's my favorite color? Pink, black. Okay, I don't have one single color, but pink and black is one of my favorite. Also white. I like white. I like red as well. I like that dark red. I like. Vimal, love you lots. Love you. Thank you so much. Ivana, my favorite color. I just said. Don Jetha, nice. Love you too. Katia, you're from Georgia. Oh my God, I love Georgia, and I know Georgians love me a lot, and they're crazy for Uttaran. They watch Uttaran. Thank you so much, Georgians. I would love to come to Georgia. Like recently, one of my friend has been to Georgia, and eventually he said that Georgia is very beautiful, and I've also seen in Google and everywhere that Georgia is apparently very, very beautiful. So yeah, I would love to come to Georgia. Like if there's something coming up, like any events or something, then surely I'll come to Georgia. Apa kabar Indonesia? I love you all. I'm missing Indonesia. I'm really missing Indonesia, to be very honest. Like the amount of love I got from Indonesia is like to die for. Thank you so much, Indonesians, for sharing so much of love on me. Hey Tina, you're gorgeous and beautiful. Love you lots. Nila Kantharana, thank you so much. Arjun, thank you so much. Madhu, thank you so much. Mohammed Yusuf. Okay, what's my next project? I just said that I'm not too sure about my next project. I'm just waiting for something nice to come up. And okay, it's amazing chatting with you guys, live video. So I never thought it's gonna be so amazing. It's really, really nice. Bulgaria every day watching Let's Run. We love you really so much. I dream to meet you. Even I wish to meet you all. Honestly, like I would love to meet you all and spend some time with you all. Like sit and chill with you guys. Like have coffee or have dinner. I would really love something like that to happen. It would be a great feeling. Bisil Gujarat, yes. I think I'll be a part of Bisil Gujarat. Only if you guys want me to be a part of it, then surely I would be a part of Bisil Gujarat. Mention your name, Abrian. Hey, Abrian, how are you? Coming to Malaysia? Yes, Sundaresh. So I think next month I'll be coming to Malaysia. We are doing a calendar shoot there. That's a secret that I'm sharing with you guys. Yes. Arjun, you like my shades? Thank you so much, Arjun. Yes, super soon. Just pray for me and bless me so that um, I get something really nice, like a show which I really look forward to, something different. So yeah, just wish for that. Definitely, I'll come back with something interesting, something entertaining, and I really hope that I can entertain you guys and um, you like my show. Thank you so much. And okay, I would like to share something with you guys. So right now I'm in Abu Dhabi, and this I'm in this island called Yas Island. So it's amazingly very beautiful. So if you guys enjoy rides and all, so this is a place where you should come once in a lifetime. And so basically, they have this Yas water park, Yas Island, Yas beach, and today we are going. Today is my third day in Yas Island, and today we're going to explore a new thing that is like seaplane. So basically, it takes off from the sea and again lands back in the sea, which is like we have heard in case of emergencies, a flight lands in the sea and all the things happen. So basically, we actually gonna take off from the sea and again land back in the sea. So I'm really excited because this is something really new and different that's gonna be, and I am looking forward to it. And I'll share the pictures and videos with you guys. So you can follow me on Instagram, Datta Tina. You can follow me on Snapchat, Tina Datta. You could follow me on Facebook mentions, my fan page. So yeah, and you can keep a track on what I'm doing and about all my recent uploads and recent updates. So you can just keep a track on it. Ravi Kumar, please say your name once. Hi Ravi, how are you? Kansen, hi Tina, I love you. I love you too, Kansen. Um, you like Sindhu Bhairavi? I know it comes as by the name of Sindhu Bhairavi. It's very famous there. Sand dunes are amazing in Abu Dhabi. Yes, Abu Dhabi is really amazing. I like the vibe. It's one of my favorite places, and I really love to chill here. Swati, I am here in Stay Breeze. Swati, where you went exactly? Ivan, I was sure you are most good person and kind. I always will say you are a queen. Thank you for these explorers. Oh, thank you so much, Ivana. That's really sweet of you. Thank you so much, Aslim. So, okay, guys, it was lovely talking to you guys, and it was super fun. Thank you so much, and I'll get back to you super soon, and we'll again chat super soon. And thank you so much. Till then, keep watching with Run, keep following me on my social medias, and to keep a track on me and to know about my latest updates. And thank you so much. It was lovely chatting with you guys. Had super fun, and love you all. We'll again do a live video super soon. Bye, Neelam. Hey, please mention my name, Arvind. Thank you so much. Bye, Arvind. Take care. Have a great day, guys. Have a superb day with lots of positivity, lots of luck, love, success, and love you all. Love you. I really love you guys. Thank you so much for loving me so much and um, showering so much blessings on me. Keep loving me. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all.